The new dark gray UI theme in Corel Painter 2019 is really nice on the eyes, but wouldn't it be great if you could change this pesky white bar up here in Windows to match that nice dark gray theme? Well, you can. I'll show you how to do that coming up next. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Corel Painter Master Aaron Rutten, and it is my mission to help artists like you enjoy Corel Painter and learn some new skills along the way. Today I'm going to show you how to change the color of this bar up here in Windows so that it matches the dark UI theme in Corel Painter 2019. Now, I will mention that this is going to be a global setting, so it will affect the window for all applications that use the default Windows theme. So I'm going to go ahead and just minimize Corel Painter here for a minute, and then I'm going to right-click on my desktop, and I'm going to choose Personalize. If you're using Windows 10 like I am, then you should be able to see these settings here, and I want to look under Colors. Then I want to go ahead and scroll down a bit. And here we can choose a color accent for our windows. Now I'm going to go ahead and choose this color called Storm. And then I'm going to go ahead and show accent color on the following surfaces, and I'll check title bars. Now if we go ahead and close or minimize this window, and we go back to Corel Painter, you can see that that accent color has taken over the title bar here. Now if you look very closely, you can see that these two grays are not identical, but I think it's close enough for my liking. If you want it to be that exact gray color, or if you want it to be lighter or darker, you can really choose whatever you want. If I go back to the Color Accents panel here, then I can also choose Custom Color. And then here I could drag all the way down to this gray area, and then I could reduce the value. If you look down here on the bottom, it's going to tell you eventually that the color is not supported. So let's say value 22 dark gray, we'll click Done. And even though it says the color is not supported, it still seems to work. I think that's pretty darn close to that same color of gray, but you can feel free to play around with it to get it looking how you want. I don't mind mine being a little bit of an off gray like this, so I'm going to go ahead and set it to Storm. And it's as easy as that to get the Windows UI to better match the Corel Painter 2019 dark gray UI. If you found this information helpful, make sure to let me know by clicking the like button. And if you're new to my channel, you can get access to all of my free digital art tutorials by clicking the subscribe button and then enabling notifications through the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.